morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. I appreciate you watching it. Yesterday was an absolute learning lesson. God, it's bright. We realized that we probably made a huge mistake not hiring a professional painter. And the reason why, professional painter, they've got all the equipment, right? They've got the paint sprayer. I thought we could roll this paint on and then all we would need to do is put one coat on. Well, I was dead wrong. I was totally dead wrong. We pretty much got 1.5 sides done and it just took a lot longer. Surprisingly, it did not take very much paint. And that's maybe because of the way we were applying it, but after one day of painting, this is what it looks like. I did apply a couple coats onto this and it covered really well. So I think the building's only gonna need 2 coats. What was surprising the most is we got one door done with one coat, really one thick coat, and it covered really well. And I think it looks really good too. It's all a learning lesson. So we're getting a later start today because, well, we're trying to buy another storage facility out in the south. And just having to deal with all those beginning stages, kind of the negotiation, the napkin math, to see if it makes sense. When can we close? How long is the due diligence process? All of that. And also working about 1,500 miles away and trying to get that situated. It's just a little challenging. But today's goal is simply get this building, get at least one coat on before the rain comes tomorrow. We've got a couple days of rain and then we're back at painting. We got to get the painting done, we got to get the sign installed, we got to finish the website, and then we'll be open for business. So sit back and enjoy. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. And if you've enjoyed this content or this daily vlog style content, consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. How do you like my glasses? They're all speckled with paint. Not good. We are almost done with the whole building. We've got pretty much this whole side done, and now we gotta fire up the generator and charge up the RV, charge up the solar generator, and get back to painting. Alright, we are all done for today. It's been a wild ride, to say the least. We have been painting nonstop. I've been trying to deal with the state of Georgia. We're trying to buy this other storage facility, and then third facility popped up that we had looked at a couple months ago that's still available and is a real option. It's only a couple hours away from Langley, Oklahoma, where we're at right now. So we might be going to look at that one too, again, which maybe I'll show you some videos like right now. We just got done looking at the property, and man, we got a lot of potential, lots of potential. The thing about this particular storage facility is it has 4 acres, and not only does it have the ability for boat and RV storage, but also self-storage, mini storages, but then also has like 3 acres that would just be absolutely perfect for like a tiny little like RV park. Something where 20, 30 sites, something that, you know, it's just, you know, 10, 15 minutes away from the lake that people could, you know, come into and spend a few nights and camp out. Maybe some tent sites. I have no idea, but it's one of those things that, you know, you look at kind of a blank canvas like that and you recognize that there's some potential there. Pretty cool storage facility. The only thing about it is it's relatively small. It has some boat and RV storage, but it also has a bunch of land for more storage, and also has more land for like possibly an RV park. You'd have to install like a well, septic tank, a septic tank. So I don't know. I don't know if it'd be worth it. I have to find someone to run an RV park for us because I don't want to. So if you're watching out there and you want to run a RV park, let me know, because it would be a real option. Leave a comment below. I'm going to go get dressed. I'm going to get dressed so I can go for a run. I skipped yesterday's 5-mile run to paint. Today we can't paint anymore, so I'm going to go log 9 miles is the goal. Let's go. I don't know what it is about Langley, Oklahoma, but I keep running in this area and there's all kinds of weird dead animals. A deer, an armadillo, and now a beaver.